Many people on your planet, philosophers, have asked, why? Why do we exist? Why are we here? This is a question created from within the space-time perspective. It is not a relevant question for existence itself, because existence only has one quality: to exist. That's its fundamental state. Because you are an aspect, a reflection of existence, that's your fundamental state as well. And when we say fundamental, we mean fundamental. That's it. Can't get any more basic than the fact that you exist. And when I say you exist, we mean you exist. Meaning your particular unique perspective, your unique point of view, your identity, the things that you experience in life that you believe are happening to you is what exists. You, your unique perspective exists. Therefore, it is absolutely unable to not exist. The fundamental quality of existence cannot become anything else on an equally fundamental level. As we have often said, it can become any kind of form or expression, but it cannot become non-existence. By definition, non-existence doesn't exist. Therefore, that which exists cannot become that which does not exist, because there's no such thing as non-existence. You can talk about it, you can use the words non-existence and think that you're actually talking about non-existence, but you're not, because even the term non-existence exists within existence. Therefore, the term, the idea, the concept that sometimes your philosophers may bandy about in discussing and thinking about and pondering the concept of non-existence is not really a discussion about non-existence. It's a discussion about a symbol that represents the idea of non-existence, but there can be no discussion. There can be no concept. There can be no conceiving. There can be no perceiving of anything that is actually non-existence, because again, by definition, there is no experience in that idea at all. Even if, just to push the philosophical point, you were capable of experiencing non-existence, you would never know it. Because there would be no reflection, nothing to bounce back to you, no awareness that you had experienced it. That's the very fundamental definition of non-existence. There is no existence there for you to have an experience of anything in. Therefore, if you really wrap your minds, wrap your hearts, wrap your souls around the concept that your fundamental state of being is that you exist. You exist. And while you may perceive yourself in many different ways, in many different forms, throughout the course of your existence, physical, non-physical, other dimensional, parallel, what have you, doesn't matter, you will still exist. Your unique perspective will still exist. In other words, anything that happens will be happening from your point of view to you.